So the vacuum's been running already for, I'm going to say 2 hours. And that has involved vacuuming 2 bedrooms, this type of flooring in the hallways, and has washed that. It's amazing watching it. It'll go like, when it was in here doing this, it found the rug, it found the perimeter of it, it washed all the floor around it, and then it hopped up onto the rug, switched to vacuum mode, vacuumed just the rug, and then stepped back off of it. Now in here, you can see I've got some stuff on the floor here because I'm working on something, and it is very carefully going around everything. When it was under my bed in the bedroom, it got caught on the heating blanket control cable, and it was able to get off of it all by itself. It shut the vacuum off, it shut its little brushing system down, it kind of did this back and forth thing until it got out of the cord, and then it turned itself back on and kept on vacuuming. I mean, the thing is very intelligent. I mean, just look at that, right? Like it does a great job. I mean, this carpet is in good shape. I take good care of it, but it's also got some age on it. But you can still see the vacuum marks in it. And it actually, when it did the floors out here, it did an initial mop, and then it came back and it did a more thorough one. So, I don't know if that's just how it does or what, but but it's over here right now. It's about to disappear under that coffee table. I'm super impressed. I mean, I couldn't be any more impressed with it, honestly. Get this ottoman out of the way for it.
Start cleaning.